I am out here with the Mini, or not the Mini, the Spark. You know, I've been having these issues with the Spark lately, with this artifacting and dropping of the signal and all that crap. Well, I wanted to see if it had something to do with the screen recording. So I have the screen recording disabled right now. So I'm just waiting for some satellites to come in. I got 9 right now. But I'm gonna wait a couple minutes to get a couple more. Okay, now it says 9. So, you know, the last few flights, it's been just a mess of just looking like crap. So I got an older phone. I went back to the iPhone 8. Plus, I'm not using the screen recording. So I'm going to start some video, and then we're going to take off. You know, it's breaking up, but the Spark breaks up. I mean, the Mini breaks up here too, and so does the Mavic Air. So I'm not worried so much about the breakup. It's the complete picture of the screen just being a mess. Okay, so it seems better since I'm not using the screen recording. But we'll have to see. I'm going to take it up to Donegal or something and mess around with it. Let me turn the antennae up a little bit. I have the obstacle avoidance turned off, but it still was going off there when I had turned the quadcopter toward me. See? So I don't know why that was doing that. All right. Okay, well, I got a few dropouts, but I won't know until I get it up to Lake Dongle. But I did go out, you know, what was that, 700 and some feet, which I couldn't do the last few flights I did because it just, everything was just breaking up so bad and the lag was terrible. But I wasn't having that issue here, so I think maybe the screen recording had something to do with that. So we'll see, right? All right, guys, I'm gonna cut the video. And then we're gonna land. Okay, so that worked out good. That was fine. I'm happy with that. That's good enough for right now. We'll get it up to one of them places I can open it up a little bit and we'll see what happens. All right, guys, have a nice day.